LNG 271,000 cubic meters, 135. When we was last time doing crew management and the big sky ship management in Bilbao, although we have another sleeping company called Candina ship management just for you in Santa Cruz de Tenerife. Yes, she's now sleeping, but anytime, wake up. Let's get 20 LNGs rolling, Spanish flag. We could do that, but what if we think a little bit about the 138,000 cubic meters wages? Today, 14,000 euros a captain. Now it's 17. So what if we grow these cubic meters from 138,000 towards 180,000, which is current new builds, 180,000 cubic meters? Well, that's about 25% more capacity. But wages stay the same. What if you're thinking going towards 271,000 cubic meters? That's 50% higher capacity. So my plan is, dear ship owner, if the current wages are 17,000 euros, all included, one Spanish captain, 5 years round, 180,000 cubic meters or 138,000 cubic meters, towards 271 cubic meters, which is 50% higher than if we have 50 here, why don't we put 20 there? So that would be a 20k euro per captain. Why? Because they have income tax 50% deduction under Spanish Canary Islands. Why? Because there is a 90% employer grant. Social Security, instead of 26%, is 2.6. That's the biggest ever in this planet, all-inclusive unemployment pension. And this is the third one that no other flag has in this planet Earth, which is 1 day on board equals 2 days, you and me, dear ship owner. You have to work 50 years to accrue same 25 years of any employed Canary Island officer. So, is that attractive for them? There is subrogations. They can also ask for permit to leave this company and go to the other. So, whilst they keep also the rights of the previous, many tricks. But if you really think serious about this, contact me, because we can either via Biscay or via Candina make this deal for 20 LNGs, 25 years long. Covers 50% is Spain, will be perpetually. So the bet is safe. Thank you, bye.